Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Way Schooling. Today I will be going to tell you how to get full marks in the project of social science. So let's start with the topic. Project has two parts. One is its physical display and the other is its oral presentation. फिजिकल डिस्प्ले, किस तरह से प्रोजेक्ट का फिजिकल डिस्प्ले होना चाहिए? नंबर 1, इको फ्रेंडली. इट मीन्स नॉट टू यूज प्लास्टिक कवर. जो चीजें इको फ्रेंडली नहीं हैं, विच आर नॉट इको फ्रेंडली, यूज फाइल कवर्स ऑफ हैंडमेड शीट्स और चार्ट पेपर्स जो कि इको फ्रेंडली हैं. द सेकेंड इज अट्रैक्टिव इन लुकिंग. प्रोजेक्ट देखने में अट्रैक्टिव होना चाहिए, जो देखकर अच्छा लगे. द थर्ड इज इंटरेस्टिंग और इट कवर्स ऑल द पॉइंट्स रिक्वायर्ड इन द प्रोजेक्ट की जो नीड है. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाट शुड बी इन द प्रोजेक्ट. The first page of the project should be title, that is topic very clearly written on which we are making the project. Second is acknowledgement, that is you have to write the names of people who guided and helped you to complete your project successfully. For example, it may be your teacher, parents, or some other professional. Next page is index, which include all the subtopics covered on different pages of the project. Now, the fourth is content, that is body of the project. Here, all the subject matter, subtopics clearly explained. Content should include all required information, graphs, flowcharts and pictures. जो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट की ज़रूरत है उस सबको क्लियरली लिखा जाता है कंटेंट में. The fifth is conclusion. Conclusion, it is summary of the project, that what you have concluded after all the project you have written. After conclusion, the last page is the bibliography. What we write in it is all the books, all the websites, all the articles from where you have taken information of the project. जहाँ जहाँ से हमने अपना प्रोजेक्ट बनाने के लिए इंफॉर्मेशन डाटा कलेक्ट किया है, उन सब के नाम मेंशन किए जाते हैं बिब्लियोग्राफी में. With this we complete our project. Now we come to oral representation. Oral representation means what we have made in the project is asked by our teacher, the judge. So that should be very clear, very correct, so that you get more marks in the project what you have made. So there are few points to keep in mind while doing the oral representation. Number 1, stand straight, not to move here or there. Second, make direct eye contact with the judge and answer his or her question confidently. Third, clear and tidy clothes so that you look smart and confident. Fourth, be calm, relax, speak slowly and clearly. At last, it is very easy to get full marks in project if we keep in mind the tips I am going to tell you. Number 1, clear subject matter. The matter of the subject should be clear, not confusing. Secondly, project should be neatly written. third, all relevant points covered and well presented project is surely able to get full marks. These are the few things I think will be helpful for each and every one of all the classes to get full marks in the social science project. Thank you and have a nice day.